बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, आज युस अस टॉपिक अथ नाव लाइम स्टोन। लाइम स्टोन चूँकि पारान मिनरल एंड एनर्जी रिसोर्सेस अमन मज ब्याख रिसोर्स यथ नाव लाइम स्टोन। लाइम स्टोन गो आज युस अस टॉपिक अथ नाव लाइम स्टोन। Limestone is a sedimentary rock composed largely of the mineral calcites and aragonite, which are different crystal forms of calcium carbonate. Many limestones are composed from skeletal fragments of marine organisms such as coral or foraminifera. Limestone makes up about 10% of the total volume of all sedimentary rocks. The solubility of limestone in water, the solubility of limestone in water and weak acid solutions leads to coastal landscape, in which water erodes the limestone over thousands to millions of years. Most cave systems are through limestone bedrock. Limestone has numerous uses, including as building material, as aggregate to form the base of roads, as white pigment or filler in products such as toothpaste or paints, and as chemical foodstuff. Uses of limestone. It is the raw material for the manufacture of quicklime, calcium oxide, slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, cement, and mortar. Pulverized limestone. Pulverized limestone is used as a soil conditioner to neutralize acidic soils. It is crushed. Limestone is crushed for use as aggregate, the solid base for many roads. Geological formations of limestones are among the best petroleum reservoirs. As a reagent in flue gas desulfurization, it reacts with sulfur dioxide for air pollution control. Glass making in some circumstances use limestones. It is added to toothpaste, paper, plastics, paints, tiles, and other materials, both white pigment and cheap. It can suppress methane explosions in underground coal mines. Purified, it is added to bread and cereals as a source of calcium. Calcium levels in limestock feed are supplemented with it, such as for poultry. It can be used for remineralizing and increasing the alkalinity of purified water to prevent pipe corrosion and to restore essential nutrient levels. Used in blast furnaces, limestone extracts iron from its ore. It is often found in medicines and cosmetics. It is used in sculptures because of its suitability for carving. In India, although almost all the states of India produces some quantity of limestone. However, three fourths three fourth of the total limestone of India is produced by six states, includes Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, and Tamil Nadu. Apart from these states, there are other states which produces the limestone in India. These includes Sikkim, Maharashtra, Orissa, Jharkhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Assam, Meghalaya, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Jammu and Kashmir.